Assalamu alaikum grade 6. This is your lecture of Oxford Progressive English. Today we are going to revise our lesson biography learning to write. Most of the students could not understand it, so I am revising it once again. Listen carefully. Biography means books about the lives of real people who are alive or dead are called biographies. Friends, we have already discussed a biography in our previous chapters. The name of the chapter was Summers in Murray and the writer was Imran Khan. That was the biography of Imran Khan. Now we are going to study the biography of Judson Pema. So friends, let's discuss the summary of this biography on the board. Unit 3 School Days, Chapter 5 Learning to Write. So the name of this biography is Learning to Write. Summary. The under discussion chapter narrates the biography of Judson Pema. She tells us how she learned to write at school. She also explains the sphere called of Lhasa, the capital of Tibet, where she lived with her family. Early in the morning, hot tea was given to the children in order to protect from cold. They were taken to school with great care, where they learned to write with great difficulty. So friends, this biography describes how Judson Pema learned to write for the first time in her life. The proper chapter reading of this chapter will be given in online classes at Zoom app. So now move towards the words meanings of this chapter. Number 1, roasted, cooked by dry heat. Number 2, flakes, small fragments. Number 3, rubbed, massage. Number 4, beeswax, a yellow to brown wax secreted by honeybees. Number 5, painstaking, characterized by great effort. So friends, you will write these words meanings in your notebooks and learn them. Students, now we move towards reading for understanding of this chapter at page number 72. So open your notebooks and start to write. Reading for understanding. Question number 1. Why was it so cold when the children got up to go to school? Answer. Because the mornings in Lhasa are very cold due to its altitude of 10,500 feet. Question number 2. How were the children warmed up when they got up, and how were they protected from the cold when they set off on horseback? Answer. They were wrapped in blanket and given hot tea and flakes. They were protected from cold by covering their faces and hands. Question number 3. Why did the children lick their lips as they rode to school? Answer. They licked the sweetness of honey from their lips. Question number 4. Explain how their method of learning to write was very economical of materials. Which extra materials would a modern school use? Answer. Their method was economical of materials, as they used only wooden boards and chalk dust for writing. A modern school uses whiteboard, notebooks, markers and pencils of many types as extra materials. Question number 5. In comparison with the way you learn to write, what advantages and disadvantages do you think there are to the way Judson Pema learned? Answer. Judson Pema's way of learning is simple and interesting, but it is painful also, as it made blisters on her hands. So friends, this was your 1 week's task. You will write these question answers in your notebooks and learn them. Allah Hafiz.